Padlet is a great technology tool that offers students an opportunity to upload, organize, share content with each other. It's kind of like a virtual bulletin board or sticky notes. It gives them an opportunity to socially interact with one another. So to create a Padlet, first you have to sign in, and then when you're at your dashboard, over in the top right hand corner, you select Make a Padlet. From here you can choose a format. Select one of the formats that you see here. In this case, we'll select the grid format. From here you can have a whole ton of customization options. Name it, give a description. You can change the wallpaper, the background image. If you want to upload one, you can, or choose from the wallpapers in their library. Once you create your Padlet, you can share it and embed it on your Canvas site. But you got to make sure that you change the privacy from private. All Padlets by default are private privacy, so you got to change the privacy. I always change it to secret, and then visitors can write. So when I do it secret, visitors can write. What that does is only those that have access to my embedded code here can use my Padlet. So what I'll do next is embed the code on my Canvas course. So here I am on a blank Canvas page. Obviously you can put it into any type of page that you've created previously. I'm going to select the embed option here. If this doesn't show up on your screen, you can also go to insert, embed. That is where you're going to paste the code that you copied from Padlet, submit, and now you can see that my Padlet is accessible in my Canvas course. Now I may have a discussion question in the heading here, and from there students would then need to post on the Padlet. To do so, they are going to click the plus icon down here, and they will then have a range of options where they could write something. And then publish, and now you can see here's the published product. Let me show you what activity I've done with students before. This one's called Argue with a Billionaire. In this activity, students have to defend, challenge, or qualify quotes from famous or well-known billionaires. So you can see here, we got Elon Musk. Don't confuse schooling with education. I didn't go to Harvard, but the people that work for me did. So in this activity, I have students either defending this quote, challenging this quote, saying, well, I don't agree with it because, or qualifying the quote, saying, I agree, but this is what I would change. In order to do so, they would have to click this little plus icon here. And again, I would have them put their name in the subject, and then under here, type out their response. I agree that Elon, right? And then I would give my full answer, hit publish, and my answer pops up underneath the image that I provided. Great tool to gather formative assessments as well as to give writing prompts, to give collaborative opportunities. I would give it a try. Have a great day.